What should I expect after filing an appeal? After you file an appeal, a new chapter begins in the legal process. It might seem like a long wait, but understanding what happens next can make it easier to follow along. First, the trial court clerk gathers all the case documents and transcripts, then sends this record to the appellate court. This step starts the clock for the briefing schedule. You will need to prepare and submit written arguments called briefs. Usually, the appellant, the person who filed the appeal, has about 30 days to submit an opening brief explaining why they believe the trial court made a mistake. The opposing party, called the Appellate, then has about 30 days to respond with their own brief. After that, the appellant can file a reply brief within roughly 15 days. It's very important to keep track of these deadlines to ensure your appeal stays active. Once all briefs are in, the court may schedule oral arguments or decide to review the case based solely on the written submissions. The appellate court then takes around 90 days, sometimes more, to review everything and issue a written decision. During this time, the court might dismiss the appeal if procedural rules are not followed. After the decision, there is usually a short window, often 15 days, for parties to ask the court to reconsider or to file a petition for rehearing. If no one files such a request, the decision becomes final after about 30 days. At that point, the case can be sent back to the trial court for enforcement or further action. Sometimes, parties may seek review from a higher court, like the state Supreme Court, but this is less common and involves additional steps. Once the appeal process wraps up, the appellate court issues a remittitor, which is a formal notice that sends the case back to the trial court to carry out the decision. The entire process can take anywhere from several months to over a year, depending on how complex the case is and the court's schedule. Civil appeals in some states average around 17 months from start to finish. So, after filing an appeal, you can expect a series of steps including record transfer, briefing, court review, possible petitions, and finally, the case returning to the trial court. Staying organized and meeting deadlines is key to keeping your appeal moving forward smoothly.